This is a hammer drill. I got 3 holes over here, so I can put the first one in. I just gotta drill the concrete first and through the concrete, and then I'm just gonna screw it without anchors. And if you have just a regular drill or impact tool, then it will work, because I tried it. So I'm not sure if you can try it, but it didn't work for me. So hammer drill is much powerful, so it's more powerful than the regular drills. So you can use this one for the concrete, but if you have a drywall or metal, you can use the regular ones. But for this particular job, like through the concrete, you'll have to use a hammer drill. So I'm using this tap gun to the concrete. It specifically says for concrete and block and brick, and it comes with a drill bit, and that's what I'm using. So this is mine, so it comes with this, and then it's relatively cheap, 75 quantities. I might need it for future projects, because I have a lot of concrete sides in my basement. So if you're wondering what to use, you can use this from the Home Depot. And then, as I mentioned before, it's a hammer drill, and just screw it. This is the size. Just screw it. I'm really using this drill bit. So this is the impact tool. So I just plugged it in here. So I'm going to be using this one to screw and tighten up. So if you want to drill through the concrete block, just mark those 2 sides, because they are dense, and this side is hollow. Usually the middle side is hollow. So if you want to use anchor, you can use anchor. So I'm not going to be using anchor, because I think it's going to be strong enough to hold it, like through these 2 dense block sides. So let's test it. And I'm not going to be drilling the underneath side, because I think the most of the weight is going to go to this side, so probably that would help. So let's see. So the first one is done. Let me put the hooks and test it. Yeah, I probably need one more screw over here. So when I pull it or move it, so it doesn't move from underneath.